2019 I voted for Plaid. I think that was more of a tactical vote to try and prevent getting a Conservative MP in the area. It backfired badly, so this time round I will be voting Labour. I've got two children, I've got a 2-year-old and I've got a 9-year-old. Their future on the island and in this country is bleak at the moment, unfortunately. I think there needs to be substantial change. Cost of living's been a massive, massive problem. The small things of you're going out to the shop and your shopping bill's gone up by an extra £30, £40 a week, if not more. Gas and electricity bills, they've gone through the roof. The answers from the government so far has been, it's not that bad. And it's if you don't see it, nothing's been done. What I've quite liked, with Ian particularly, is he just seems very approachable. He's from the island, not one that came to the door saying, oh, I promised to do this and I promised to do that, and then you never see him. I've seen him quite a few times locally. Conservatives locally haven't done anything. It's been a disaster. Hopefully now going forward we will start seeing some form of change. Go out and vote now. You can make a change by voting Labour.